This is going to be a last night of honeymoon in Maldives. And guess what? We had the best in store for us for the last day. We'll be checking into the water villa, which I suppose is going to be an absolutely amazing experience. And at the same time, ticking off another bucket item from the list. Man, just look at the beauty of this. We didn't have to hustle to transfer our luggage to the water villa as it was taken care by the resort staff itself. Our meal plan for the last day was a full board one, which means we had our lunch included as well. So as the room was being prepared, we decided to check out the overwater restaurant called Lagoon and complete our lunch in the meantime. The water villa with a full board meal plan cost us rupees 41,000 for one night, and we couldn't hold our horses anymore to get the first look of it. Right after completing our lunch, we checked into the most expensive hotel room of my life so far. So guys, right now it's around 3 p.m. in the afternoon local time, and we are now sitting in the water villa enjoying the beautiful lagoon in front of us. And by now you must have understood that the video quality of this vlog is not as good as the video quality of my earlier vlogs in Maldives series, because today in the morning I accidentally dipped my GoPro in the lagoon water, and after that it has stopped working, so it is not turning on anymore. So I don't know what happened to there because GoPro is supposed to be waterproof, but of course I did not have all the covers up for the GoPro, and probably that is why water has gone inside the GoPro. So our today's plan is to enjoy the lagoon. As we have taken the water villa, we will be taking some. We'll be enjoying the water right in front of us, and after that probably we'll explore around the water villa because there are 40 water villas here, and on top of that there are 16 other suits on top of the water. So we'll be exploring that. I will take some drone shots to show the beauty of this beautiful part of this island, and one must stay in the water villa at least for one night, at least to get the vibe of it. It's really wonderful. The way I'm sitting right now, it's really incredible. It's tough to express in words, but it's really an incredible feeling, and probably that is why people spend so much to spend at least one night at the water villa. So I'll keep updating you in this vlog. Keep watching this vlog. I know the video quality is not as good as my earlier vlogs, but I can assure you that I will bring up some important information through this vlog that will help you plan your water villa trip to Maldives. So guys, right now we are walking through the other side of the beach bungalows. So this side is the entrance and the pathway to the beach bungalows, and this is how the bungalows look like. So these are the entrances of these bungalows, and in the other side they have their beach view, and they've really maintained this area. There are lots of plants and very cool environment all around on both sides of the bungalows. You wanna say something? Yeah, so these are not pool bungalows, these are normal beach bungalows. The bungalow we stayed at yesterday was a pool beach bungalow, so it has a pool attached to the bungalow, so obviously it costs more than this. It will be a little lesser, but it depends on your budget whether you want a pool beach bungalow or a normal beach bungalow.
We spent the afternoon time in leisure, taking a few iconic photographs near the water villa and exploring other parts of the island before turning up at the Stingray feeding area. This is kind of a daily activity here at the Paradise Island and seems to be quite a fun. However, they did not allow me to feed those beautiful creatures. Right after this, we rushed to the shark feeding area, which was completely the other side of the island. And yes, it was worth it. There were lots of baby sharks over there.
Так, здесь-то вон. Здесь-то много. Это мясо, Саша. Не, он сказал, еда. Ой, рыба.
However, we got tired in moving back and forth in the island and decided to have early dinner at the Lagoon restaurant. The dinner here starts from 7 p.m. and stays until 9 p.m. So unlike Bagicha restaurant, we got a little wider time window here to enjoy our dinner peacefully. We opted to sit outside with a marvelous view of the ocean and nice little breeze touching our souls. It certainly had the best ambience of all places I have dined so far in my life. Good morning people, it's the last day today in Maldives and the weather is not at all delightful to say the least. we need to check out of our room by 10:30 a.m. in the morning. Thus, we decided to complete our breakfast and wait for the sun to shine a little in the meantime, so that we can get into the ocean right from our villa and make the best out of the water villa. But if that does not happen, I doubt if we could go into the water, as it's quite windy and chilly right now. Something that I realized lately is that all these unlimited meals in abundance looks exciting till a certain point, after which you actually want to go back to your regular simple meal routine. All this food decorated here in abundance does not excite you the way they did on the very first day. So we kept our breakfast simple and quick, but we had a special guest visiting us at the breakfast, and I could not help myself but keep it on the record.
So guys, I am here at the ocean, or should I say lagoon. This is the beautiful lagoon right in front of our villa, and I've been enjoying the water for a while now. But something that I wanted to mention is about the lagoon here. So you see, right after getting down from our stairs, you will be able to see some white spot as well as some black spots in the lagoon. I hope you can see because the water is quite clear. So there are some white spots and there are some black spots. So what I felt, the white spots are actually the sand, and the black spots are some dead corals. So when you get down in the water to enjoy it, the sand part is okay, it feels good to your feet, but the dead corals actually pinch your feet and it's very tough to stand on them. So I really felt that the resort management should look into this and remove the dead corals on a regular basis, at least the dead corals that is there in front of the villa, because here we are in the water villa to enjoy the water, but right after getting down the staircase of the villa, if you are getting dead corals like this, you can see black spot right in front of our villa, then it's very tough to enjoy the water. There are some white spots over there, but most of the part is black. Here the entire part is filled of dead corals. So this is something that the Paradise Hotel and Resort Management could look into. It has started raining heavily, so I think it's time for me to go back. Yay! So it's raining a lot now, so I cannot stay in the water for more. I should go back and change and pack my bags, and think this is the end of our trip.
The last morning could have been a little better, but nevertheless it was a lifetime experience staying in a private island like this. I just wish we had a couple of more days to chill and do absolutely nothing here at the Paradise Island and Resort, because we hardly got any time to absorb the pristine beauty of this place. It was a wonderful gesture of the Paradise staffs to wave us goodbye, and it made me a little emotional. However, the services provided could have been a little better, as even today morning they mixed up our flight schedule and woke us up very early in the morning, only to realize that our flight was not as early as they assumed. Until next time guys, stop dreaming, start traveling. It's a sweet goodbye from my side.